A mixture of hydrogen and oxygen at 1 bar pressure contains 20% of hydrogen by volume. What is the partial pressure of hydrogen? Now remember here, we know at constant pressure, temperature, at constant temperature, and if I am taking the volume, constant temperature and constant volume, where we are taking this particular one, pressure will be proportional to number of moles. Pressure will be proportional to number of moles. Similarly, if I am taking at constant temperature and constant pressure, if the temperature and pressure are constant, V is directly proportional to N, Avogadro's law. V is directly proportional to N. So when you are taking the conditions over here, the question you need to understand carefully, we have taken mixture of hydrogen and oxygen at 1 bar pressure. So the pressure is, overall pressure for the mixture is 1 bar, which contains 20% of hydrogen by volume, and remaining 80% will be oxygen by volume. What is the partial pressure of hydrogen? Now if I am taking in this particular one, you are going with this particular factor, that is the temperature and the pressure of the mixture is constant. If the temperature and pressure of the mixture is constant, now V is directly proportional to N. If I am saying volume fraction, the volume fraction will be equals to mole fraction in this case, because when you are taking ratio, what is volume fraction? Volume of gas by total volume, V total, is equals to volume of gas by V total is equals to number of moles of gas by N total. So can I say volume fraction is equals to mole fraction? Given hydrogen is one gas, oxygen is another gas. If hydrogen is occupying 20% by volume and oxygen is occupying remaining 80% of the volume, the entire volume is been spread in this way: 20% hydrogen, 80% oxygen. Now if I am taking the volume fraction is equals to 20 by 100, 0.2 will become the mole fraction of hydrogen. Same way, volume fraction of oxygen will be 80 by 100, which becomes, 80 by 100, I'm just erasing this, 80 by 100 is 0.8, will become mole fraction of oxygen. Knowing this, the relation between the partial pressure of gas and total pressure, mole fraction of gas into total pressure, I am taking partial pressure of oxygen will be equals to mole fraction of oxygen into P total. Mole fraction of oxygen is 0.8 into 1 bar. So partial pressure of oxygen is equals to 0.8 bar. And we know automatically partial pressure of hydrogen will be equals to 1 minus 0.8, that is equals to 0.2 bar. So the partial pressure of oxygen is 0.8 bar and hydrogen is 0.2 bar. So the answers we get is 0.8 and 0.2. So the only hint in the question, volume fraction is assumed as the mole fraction because the experimental conditions are carried at constant temperature and pressure of the mixture is constant. So we can go with this particular calculation.